Did you know that with just $100, you can start investing in fractional shares of big-name companies like Amazon or Apple? It's a game changer for getting into the stock market. Investing is a crucial step in achieving financial growth and security. And it's not just for the wealthy. With a small amount like $100, you can start building wealth over time. The key is to start early and be consistent. The power of compounding is incredible, and even small, regular investments can add up to a significant amount over the years. Think about it. Investing is like planting a tree. You put in the effort up front, and with time, patience, and nurturing, it grows into something strong and sturdy. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. And who doesn't want to have a comfortable financial future? Investing can seem intimidating, especially if you're new to it. But the truth is, it's not as complicated as it seems. With the right mindset and a bit of knowledge, anyone can get started. And that's what we're going to explore today: how to start investing with just $100. Many people think that investing is only for experts or those with a lot of money. But that's just not true. Investing is for anyone who wants to take control of their financial future. It's for those who want to break free from living paycheck to paycheck and build a safety net for themselves. One of the biggest misconceptions about investing is that it's too risky. And yes, there is some risk involved, but it's not as scary as it seems. With the right strategy and a bit of patience, you can mitigate those risks and even use them to your advantage. Another common misconception is that you need to be an expert to start investing. But the truth is, you don't need to be a financial genius to get started. You can start with the basics and learn as you go. And there are many resources available to help you along the way. Some people think that investing is only for the short term. But the truth is, investing is a long-term game. It's about building wealth over time, not getting rich quick. It's about creating a sustainable financial future, not just a quick fix. Many people are held back by the fear of loss. They are afraid to invest because they don't want to lose their hard-earned money. But the truth is, not investing is a bigger risk than investing itself. By not investing, you're essentially guaranteeing that your money will lose value over time due to inflation. Others think that investing is only for those with a lot of money. But the truth is, you can start investing with even the smallest amount. Even $100 can make a huge difference in your financial future. Some people are discouraged by the thought of having to choose between different investment options. Stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds. It can be overwhelming. But the truth is, it's not as complicated as it seems. With a bit of knowledge and research, you can make informed decisions about your investments. Investing can seem like a complex, confusing world, but it's not. With the right mindset and a bit of knowledge, anyone can get started. And that's what we're going to explore today: how to start investing with just $100. Now, let's talk about the different types of investment options available for beginners. When it comes to investing, you have a range of options to choose from. You can invest in individual stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, or even use a robo-advisor. Stocks are a popular investment option, and for good reason. They offer the potential for high returns, but they can also come with higher risks. With individual stocks, you're essentially buying a small piece of a company. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are another popular option. They offer diversification and flexibility, and can be a great way to get started with investing. Mutual funds are another option, and they offer a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. They are a great way to spread your risk and potentially earn higher returns. Robo-advisors are a relatively new option, and they are becoming increasingly popular. They offer a low-cost, automated way to invest in a diversified portfolio. When choosing an investment option, it's essential to think about your personal goals and risk tolerance. Are you looking for high returns, or are you more risk-averse? Do you want to invest in individual stocks or diversify your portfolio with ETFs or mutual funds? It's also important to consider your time horizon. Are you looking to invest for the short term, or are you in it for the long haul? Your time horizon will play a big role in determining the right investment strategy for you. When it comes to investing, it's essential to have a clear understanding of your financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your investments? Are you saving for a specific goal, or do you want to build wealth over time? Once you've determined your goals and risk tolerance, it's time to start investing. And the good news is, it's easier than ever to get started. Here's a simple step-by-step strategy for investing $100. First, decide on your investment option. Choose an option that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Next, open an investment account. This can be an online brokerage account or a robo-advisor. The process is usually quick and easy and can be done entirely online. Once you've opened your account, it's time to deposit your $100. This can be done via direct deposit or by transferring funds from your bank account. Finally, invest your $100. Use your chosen investment option to invest your funds. And that's it. You've taken the first step towards investing. The key to investing is to be consistent. Invest regularly, even if it's just a small amount each month. Over time, this can add up to a significant amount. Remember, investing is a long-term game. It's about building wealth over time, not getting rich quick. So, be patient and let your money grow. In conclusion, investing with $100 is not only possible but also a great way to start building wealth. Don't let fear or lack of knowledge hold you back. Take the first step today and start investing for your financial future. So, what's holding you back from investing? Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about specific investment strategies, be sure to check out our other video on how to invest in dividend stocks.